Hey guys, Iron Chef Garces here. Welcome back to another essential. This is my buttermilk marinade. I use this for any fried chicken application. In this case, we're gonna do wings. So I start with some buttermilk, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, black pepper, salt, and a little bit of your favorite hot sauce. I'm just gonna whisk this up. So next, I'm just gonna pour this buttermilk marinade right into my chicken wings here. Put them in my fridge. All right, guys, our chicken wings have been marinating in our buttermilk marinade. Once these dry, still wanna keep them pretty coated though. We're gonna dredge them and then we'll fry them. So I've got some AP flour, a little bit of dried oregano, black pepper, dried sage, coriander, garlic, and a little onion powder. It's pretty much ready for our wings. I'm gonna put it right into this container that we could seal. That's gonna allow us to get these things really coated nicely. So, done. Pull them out. Right in. A pot of oil. Oh, these are gonna be good. Golden, golden. Ooh, nice and golden. We made a little hot honey. So just honey and Frank's Red Hot. The marinade is really what makes the chicken, in my opinion. Enjoy this essential, guys. Happy cooking. See you soon.